Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your creator status, and that Epic granted custom matchmaking access. This matters because standard players can't host codes. Once confirmed, launch Fortnite and choose creative or the dedicated tournament lobby. Make sure the island you want is published. Next, generate or decide on a 612 character custom match key. This labels your session and prevents accidental joins. You do these steps first to ensure the game recognizes your session and that players can join only with the exact code. Now you configure the detailed match parameters so the session behaves as you expect. In the lobby, open Match Settings and locate Custom Matchmaking Key. Enter your chosen key exactly because it's case sensitive. Then set Game Mode, Max Players, Friendly Fire, and the Server Region. These choices affect latency and match fairness. Once set, save and publish the island or session. After publishing, verify the server region and scheduled start time. This ensures players connecting with the key land in the correct instance. You're ready to start. Announce the exact custom matchmaking key and a join window, and then launch the match so the server opens for keyed joins. If players cannot join, first reconfirm the key string and that the island is published. Mismatches and unpublished islands are common causes. Next, check that Epic's custom matchmaking permissions remain active and that server region matches players' locations. If problems persist, escalate to Epic support or the tournament organizer, because some issues require back-end fixes rather than client tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.